kids. How are you all? Okay, have you copied down the notes yesterday? Very good. That's great, you have done the work. Now today is our day 6. And today we are going to deal with the grammar, English grammar. The English alphabet. What is the first lesson in the English grammar book? The English alphabet. Okay? Now, we all know that in English we have 26 alphabets. Yes? You want to check once? Now see, I am showing you this letters. Yes? Can you see all of you? Letters. Alphabets. Now capital letters and small letters. Now see, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. In the same way, we have the small letters. Small A, B, C, D up to Z. So now we are going to check whether we have 26 letters or not. Yes. Now see here, I have written the capital letters and the small letters also. You all know the capitals and small letters. Yes. Now we will check here. Check the alphabets. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So I told you that in English we have 26 letters. 26 letters. And 26 letters we will write in different ways. 2 different ways. One is capital letters and the other one is small letters. Okay. Now here, this is the textbook of grammar. See the first lesson, the English alphabet. Okay. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. We write them in 2 different ways. Capital letters A to Z and small letters A to Z. Okay, all of you? Now, here, can you write your name? You can find your name in the capital letters. My name is Chandana. So, I am finding my name in this. Now, see here, I am C, H, A, N, D, again A, N, again A, again. Okay. So, in the first question, you can write your name by finding these letters. Yes or no? Here you can write your name in capital letters. In capital letters you have to write. You should not mix that. See, I am writing C, H, A, N, D, A, N, A. Chandana. You should not write like this. C, H, A, N, D, A. Like this. See, you are mixing up the capitals and smalls. This is wrong. Here, the question is, write your name in capital letters. Write your name in capital letters. Write the second question. Write the name of your school in capital letters. What is our school name? J. Sikle. Yes, our school name is J. Sikle. So, in the second dash, you have to write J. dot S. I. K. I again. L. E. J. Sikle. Yes. Now, when you are writing your name, you should add the surname also. Your surname also you should add. My surname is K. You will have P. Jyotsna or P. Leslie or L. Leslie or P Mary, like that. Yes or no? So you can add this name. Understood? M Mahalakshmi. So M, the first letter is here surname. You can write it last or in the first. Here, when you are writing, you should use like this. Okay? Surname and then your name. Okay? Now, this is page number 3. In grammar textbook, page 3. And 4 we are going to see now. Now, in alphabets, you all know that what letter comes first? First comes the A. Always first A only. Will the A come at the last and Z comes at the first? No. Yes. Always the A comes in the first. B comes second. C comes third. Yes or no? So, that is called as alphabetical order. What is that called as? Alphabetical order. Alphabetical order is nothing but the way the alphabets we see. The first letter A, next letter B only. Understood? Second letter won't be the C. A after C will come? No. A after B only will come. B after C only will come. C after D only will come. Yes or no? So, now we are going to check the alphabetical order. Okay. Now, before that, in page 4, write the small letters below each capital letter. Now here the flowers, in the flowers letters are given. Capital letters are given in 2 lines. And in the second line the empty flowers are given here. Okay, I have written them with the pencil. And by seeing the capital letter you have to write the small letter. Small alphabets. Okay. Now see, I told no alphabetical order, we will check now. We must know the order of the letters. B comes after A. C comes after B. Yes or no? Yes. B comes after A only. A comes before B only. C comes after B. D comes after C. Yes or no? So, we must follow that. It is a rule. Yes or no? That is called as alphabetical order. Now see, write the missing letters. Here, what letters are given here? D, D, dash, sorry. Next circle is empty. Next F is given. Circle is empty circle. Empty circle. I is given. And empty circle. Now here see, you all know what is here letter D. D after what comes? E. You should not write H, I or K. You should not write. What letter comes after the D, that only you should write. Then only it's correct. Okay, that is called as order. You are following the order. 1 after 2, 2 after 3, 3 after 4. Yes, 3 before 4 will come, 2 before 4 will come. No, like that only ABCD also comes in an order. Understood? So, F after D, E, F, G. G after H. H after I is already given. So, I after J. So, this is called as alphabetical order. What is this called as? Alphabetical order. Now here you see K, L, again another circle is given. K, empty circle, N, okay. Now K after L, L after have to follow the order of alphabets. Understood? That is called as alphabetical order. Okay. Now here I have written some spellings. Yes or no? You have to check the first letter and you have to say me what number I have to give them. Okay. Now first, what is this first letter? I have written A-P-P-L-E, apple. So what is the first letter here? A. A is first. A comes first. So for apple, I will give number 1. A after what letter comes? B. B. S. B-A-T. Bat. So for B is the first letter. So I am giving this spelling 2 number. Okay. Now B after A, B, B after C. Where is the C? Here letter C is there? No. Here? No. Here? No. Here? Yes. C. C-A-T, cat. So I am giving for this spelling 3 number. Because we are following the order of alphabets. First A, B, C. Yes. First letter we are checking. C after D. Where is the D? Here. So, what number I have to give? 4. Yes. D after F. F is here. G, H, here. So, what number I have to give now? Here, D after F. 5 is not there. 5 is not there. Like that we have to think. No. So here 5 F is not there. H is there. E, F. E, F are not there. G, H. G also not there. H. So next letter comes H. So here 5. Okay. 5 H after I. I is there? No. J. J is there? No. K. K is there? No. L. L is there? Yes. L-O-R-R-Y. Lorry. Yes. This will come. This word will come the next. This word will come next. L. M. M is there? No. N. No. O. Not there. P. S. Now see here. P is there. So the words. Now here the words are arranged in alphabetical order. First A is coming, so we gave the number. Second number for B given. Third number for C given. Fourth number for D given. But D after E, F, G are not there. So we have given the next number to the next letter H. I, J, K, L. L we have to 6 number. M, N, O, P for 7. So we have arranged these words in alphabetical order. Yes. Now here, arrange the names of these things in alphabetical order. Now diary, D-I-A-R-Y. Diary, N-O-T-E, note, B-O-O-K, notebook, B-O-O-K, book, P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Now here, D-I-A-R-Y, first word, diary. Second word is notebook. What is the second word? Notebook. Third word is book and next one is pencil. Now here what is the first letter? D. Here N. Here B. Here P. Now we will read the alphabets. A, B. B is there. First, where is the B? Here. Yes, the book spelling we have to select first. Next, B after C. C is there? No. Next one, D. C after D is coming. So here D is there. So this word will come second. D after E, F, G. E, F, G, not there. H, not there. I, J, K, L, M, not there. N, yes. So third word is notebook. Third order is notebook's order. Next, O, not there. P. So the P word, pen pencil word comes last. So how you have to arrange and write? First book, first one, second one diary, third one notebook, and the fourth one pencil. So this is called as alphabetical order. What is this called as? Alphabetical order. Now today's homework is you write in an alphabetical order some words which you know. 3-letter words or 2-letter words or 4-letter words, whichever. What you know, you write A to Z in the alphabetical order you have to write in your notes, rough notes. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.